Texas pride is shining bright in San Antonio as production of the all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra shifts into drive at Toyota Motor Manufacturing, Texas. TMMTX celebrated the official line-off of the all-new Tundra and hybrid-powered Tundra, the truck's first ever major model change at the Southside plant since it began assembling trucks in 2006. Getting this adventure-ready, go-anywhere truck to market took years of research and development from a hardworking, dedicated team of employees and suppliers, including TMMTX's over 20 on-site suppliers. A point that Toyota Texas President Kevin Voelkel made at today's event. There's no question we are delivering the toughest, most capable, most advanced Tundra to date. In 2019, TMMTX announced an investment of $391 million to prepare for production of the 2022 Tundra, pushing its cumulative investment to more than $3.1 billion. The investment helped TMMTX prepare for production of the next-generation Tundra by expanding its facility by 141,000 linear feet, equivalent to 470 football fields, to accommodate new processes and cutting-edge technologies to bring the redesigned powerhouse truck to loyal customers. This includes preparations to assemble a hybrid electric version Tundra. The brand's 12th electrified vehicle that will go on sale in early 2022. TMMTX has the annual capacity to build 208,000 vehicles. While investments in manufacturing will keep Texans working and Toyota competitive in the marketplace, TMMTX is dedicated to making a significant impact on the community. To further this commitment, the team announced $650,000 in donations to strengthen and expand access to transportation, food, STEM education, and workforce development with a specific focus on San Antonio's South Side.